Hey y'all, so I'm back. I'm gonna change my hair to this claw clip. Like, if I'm being honest, I'm really bad at doing like half up, half downs. So that's what I'm trying to do here, like, so I get an easy half up, half down. But like, suck it up. I should probably get my hairbrush, just like brush it backwards. Oh, I know how to do it now. I'll be right back. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I could not do the half up, half down. So we are just gonna like put in a regular claw clip, but it's gonna be blue. Alright, so there we go. Final results. It took a lot of time. But now we're just gonna like make these go up there. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna put those up there. Oh wait. I'll put those up there and then I'm gonna put like more right here. But I gotta go print out like 5 more. So I'll be right back. Out more. Do it. Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba.